welcome back to episode 12 of Huddle on the Hilltop. As you can see, it's a little different today. My co-host Wade Johnson is no longer with us. He's taking on another profession, and he will be missed, but the show must go on. So today I have two of our girls varsity basketball players with us. I have Oluchi Okanwa and Nina Gavin. So how are you guys today?
I'm
Pretty
great.
good.
Good win yesterday?
Oh yeah.
Great win.
Yeah.
Great team win.
Yeah.
Huge road win yesterday.
Oh yeah.
So today I want to talk to you guys a little bit about the season so far, how it's going, like what's working. But I also want to touch on some goals for the rest of the season and the tournament coming up next weekend or this weekend.
Mm-hmm.
But then I'm going to play some Would You Rather and end it with the historical WA trivia question. But before we get into the questions and Would You Rather, I have a Wednesday recap for you guys. So boys basketball played at Andover and won 80-50. Girls basketball won 64-50 at Loomis. Boys hockey played at Williston and came away with a good 4-2 win. Girls hockey played at Exeter and fell short in OT 3-2. And swimming competed in a meet at Dexter Southfield. The girls won and the boys lost. So shout out the Hilltoppers to a successful Wednesday. So yeah, here's the first question. So congrats on the big win yesterday against Loomis. What did the team do to find success against a good opponent, and how can you guys build on that for the rest of the season?
Do you want to go first?
I definitely know this one. Pass the ball.
ball.
That's what I was going to say. Playing unselfish like a team.
Playing unselfish. Definitely. I mean, teams all have their highs and lows, and definitely our lows are when we try to play individually.
Yeah.
So, whenever we're passing and the ball's flying, we're just so successful.
Yeah, I feel like that could be a common thing with any team.
Yeah, I agree. When we play, some games you can tell, some of our losses fall short because we don't make that extra pass or we try and take it 1-on-5, like Coach likes to say.
Yeah.
We look crazy. But, yeah, when we work as a team, it's more enjoyable and we always come up with the win.
Exactly.
So we definitely have the talent.
Yeah, we do.
So
we really do.
Yeah.
Just play as a team.
Yeah.
Selfishness.
Yeah.
Next question. So prior to break, you guys won the Blackburn tournament. Congrats on that.
Thank you.
Oluchi, you were named MVP. Congrats.
Thank you.
job.
So how did the success from the Blackburn tournament kind of set the team up for success after break and kind of going along with the season?
So the championship game in the Blackburn tournament was against Hilton, and they were actually in the championship last year. They lost to Tabor, but that was a really good team that we beat, and that's a really good win on our record. Mm-hmm. So I think it just kind of showed us, you see what we can do when we play at our best.
Yeah.
And that's just kind of what we've been carrying on as we've continued on with our season.
I also remember last year we lost really badly. That was the Proctor game, right? Last year.
Oh my god.
We lost
Why'd you
really.
bring that up?
Sorry.
Sorry.
Hey, you always gotta have something to build
I was
on.
injured last season
Yeah.
and I had to watch from the sideline, but we lost badly on the first day to Proctor, and so we weren't even in the finals last year for the Blackburn tournament. So coming back, we really wanted revenge this year, and we got it. And so it was a little check on our box of things we wanted to accomplish this year.
Would you say that championship game was kind of a turning point?
1,000%.
That's huge confidence.
Yeah, it was a lot more. Yeah.
And on our home court, last year was so embarrassing.
Yeah, it was.
Because we lost first round. It was our tournament.
So we were in the consolation game in our own tournament.
Tilton actually won last year.
Yeah.
So that's why we were we
This
cannot let them win again.
That's huge.
Self-respect.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah.
Stuff. All right. So a little fun question to mix things up. Who is the best and worst Ox on the team?
Best?
I would argue me or you.
Yeah. And also AP.
True.
Not with us anymore on the team.
Okay.
But she was our
Autumn was always
type
our
DJ.
Yeah.
All right.
Worst, honestly, it could be a good amount of people.
I don't think there's a lot of people on the team that I've never heard them play Ox.
I was going to say, that's the thing. We don't give them the opportunity.
Okay.
If we're just going off looks, we can probably guess
All right.
who doesn't have the best Ox. But let's just stick with positive.
Cool.
Best. AP,
Yeah.
And then worst. That would just. Yeah.
Worst, AG.
AG.
Anna Grace.
Terrible.
I thought AG had some good Ox.
I wouldn't trust.
Yeah, but it's
Is it wrong vibe or just the song?
Hers is wrong vibe. On a bus, she definitely listened to AG's the one who listens to sad music.
No, we were
no, I feel like AG has good Ox, but it's wrong. Wrong time.
Yeah. No, I just said AG because she's the only one I can confidently bash.
Yeah. Everyone else I've never heard them take Ox.
True, because we will never let that happen. So.
Pick and choose.
Fair enough.
Pick and choose. Mm-hmm. All right, cool. With the Rose Classic Super Jam and New York tournament coming up this weekend, what are the team's goals for the tournament, and like what aspects of your guys' game is going to be important to achieve that goal?
I think a team goal is not get 40-pieced.
Yeah.
Because this is a really good tournament. Like, the teams that are coming to play are no joke.
Yeah.
And legitimately, if we don't, like, pass
Show
the
up.
ball, and if we don't show up, not just offensively, but defensively.
Yeah, especially
because, like,
some of the
people we let score on us are so questionable, and it's just, like, gets me so nervous. But if we, like, do all of that, then we actually have a chance of not just staying in the game but winning. Like, that's what's so, like, we actually are a good team.
Yeah.
But
I mean, that's shown, right? Yeah.
I know it's shown, but we just, like, when we don't play together, we look horrible.
Yeah.
So.
No, we definitely need to play unselfishly like we did in our last game. Like, I feel like if we bring that, we'll have a lot more success. But also, like, these 2 games don't count in our overall record, so I think we just need to show up and just, like, play. And don't be scared of who we're playing. Like, I think the first team we're playing is from Canada. Like, we don't care where they're from, don't care, like, who they have, where they're committed to. Like, just go and play as a team and have fun.
And then Sunday we're playing Putnam Signs.
Yeah.
So, it should be fun.
So, good team defense, unselfishness.
Yeah, unselfishness.
Confidence.
Just take another step towards...
And self-awareness. If you're not having a good night, it's okay. Just pass the ball.
Yeah. Agree.
Cool.
Agree.
So, last question. It's more of a fun one. What are your guys' pregame meals when you have the choice and we're not at school and
pregame
on a Wednesday?
I eat anything and everything, and I think you're under the same thing.
Yeah. Just
I eat anything. Like, anything.
From here?
I'd eat anything. Pregame meal?
I'd eat anything. Pregame.
Like, I could
probably
eat
banana.
No routine?
Ooh,
No, I've been trying to adapt one.
See, because I personally, game days on Saturday, fun fact, bacon, egg, and cheese, everything bagel.
From Dunks?
No, home.
Oh,
yeah,
that's nice.
So
all right.
Every morning?
Do you make it?
On
Saturday?
It depends.
Your mom definitely makes it. Your mom.
Okay, I won't lie. My mom usually makes it.
Shout out, Mom.
But there have been times where I have dated.
That's
but it's way better when she does it.
I feel like I usually go into AG's room and always steal an apple with peanut butter pregame.
Really?
Every time.
That's craziness.
Every time.
So I'm gonna be honest. Sometimes I don't eat.
Yeah.
Really?
It's bad.
I always have
really
to eat
bad.
before a game.
I
have
cramp
to
up if I
force
don't
feed
eat.
myself.
Yeah.
Like, the days I'm eating before a game, I'm force feeding myself. So I'm just, like, never hungry for a game.
Really? I'm always
I mean?
like one of those things. I could eat a burrito or like Chick-fil-A before a game and it not affect me at all.
Here's
like
the
I
thing.
could eat so heavy,
like,
and I know some people can't.
Yeah,
Like,
there's
like,
different people when
because when you eat heavy, I don't want to eat heavy then have to go to the bathroom during the game.
Or just feel full and
see, when I exercise, like everything that I need to do, like bathroom, like just goes away.
But
like,
I always have a super like big time frame. Like if I'm playing at this time,
that's fast.
I gotta eat 4 hours before the game. Like
that's
so that I'm not feeling slow or like
whatever you're doing. We should get on that.
Yeah, we should get on that. We should get on that.
You need some tips, just
I know.
Yeah.
All right, so moving on from that.
I win a champ. Eat egg and cheese breakfast.
No, really, like that must feel amazing. What's it like?
It was great.
Yeah. Look at us turning around.
Look at you
guys
turning around.
Because I pray to God at night every day to win a championship.
Yeah, it was great, and I did it twice. Not to
like flex.
Not to toot my own horn or anything,
not one muscle, but both.
Then did it twice.
That flex was
all right.
Crazy.
I'm jealous.
So we're gonna play a little Would You Rather to end the episode. So the first question we have is: would you rather have the ability to see 10 minutes into the future or 150 years into the future?
What the hell? 100 years I'm gonna be dead, so 10 minutes sounds good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, but if I know in 150, like no, but if I know what's happening in 150 years, like I could be the one to plan, like
do something.
Like you know what I'm saying? Or like if I knew Bitcoin was gonna get huge 5 years before Bitcoin got huge, I'm throwing all my money in.
You said 150 years.
It's 10 minutes or 150 years.
Yeah, but what is 10 minutes gonna do? I'm gonna know what happened in 10 minutes, and then all of a sudden it's
You're
gonna be 10
wrong.
minutes later. Like I can't react to 10 minutes
Actually,
in that 10 minutes.
Maybe purely often like entertainment. 150 years.
That's what I'm saying.
Like,
just
what's
to like
gonna
know
be going
what's
on
up
when I'm dead?
No,
like you know what I'm saying.
You could also make a change. Like if there's an issue going on 150 years, you
true.
could be like, yo,
like global warming gets really bad 150 years.
Oh, love, it's already like is this even winter?
No, it's not.
Don't get me started on that.
We don't have much time.
I mean, it did snow today. Soon. It did snow today.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So.
Yeah. I mean, I'm a Christian, so I believe Christ is soon coming back.
Okay. All right.
Maybe 150 years. You
never know.
You never know.
I know.
Next question we got is: would you rather have one wish granted today or 3 wishes granted 10 years from now?
10 years. I'd wait. for like two more wishes.
You know what? Yeah.
Yeah.
3 wishes in 10 years. I'll wait. Because I'm like...
I feel like right now, I haven't hit college yet. I haven't started.
Yeah, like think about it. 10 years from now, we'll all be like 28, so...
Yeah.
That's crazy.
You got more stuff to think about.
Yeah, exactly. That's why I'm saying, like, right now I'm college. Like,
yeah.
You know what I mean?
Exactly. Yeah, life's peachy. I don't need a wish right now.
Yeah, I'm with you on that one. Next one is, would you rather get a paper cut every time you turned a page or bite your tongue every time you ate?
Paper cut.
Paper cut.
Oh my gosh, biting my tongue.
It's awful.
Oh my gosh. Especially when you bite it so hard it starts bleeding.
Or when you, like, I hate biting your lip because then it gets puffy and then you start biting it again because you, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, the corner of your... That's never happened? Or, like, you
I've
bite
never bit my lip.
Really? Like the inside of your gut.
How do you do that?
No, not here. Not there. But, like, inside.
You mean your cheek?
Yeah, like your... Yeah. But, like, the inside of your lip.
You mean that's your cheek?
No, like right here.
Like underneath.
Underneath.
Like, oh no, I don't bite that.
Either way, it's just a terrible feeling.
Yeah, I don't like it.
Definitely.
And I feel like once it happens once, it keeps happening.
And everyone's got stuff on computers these days, so maybe that was a bad question. I'll take.
I'll just never touch it again.
Not the best question. All right. So this is kind of like a WA. Would you rather? Would you rather never have ice cream on Fridays again, or have to eat chicken parm for lunch every day?
That is disgusting. Chicken parm for lunch every day. I mean, it's my favorite lunch of there, but every day is crazy.
So no more
I'll
ice cream.
kick off ice cream.
Yeah, I would kick off ice cream on Fridays. Chicken parm. I love chicken parm.
Ice cream on Monday.
Yeah, that's true.
I love chicken parm, but every day.
I know.
Chicken parm.
Because then you gotta buy it.
The thing is, I don't even really be eating the ice cream because, like, usually, is it like, it's either like, have you ever had a game on Friday yet? I feel like we
had one.
Yeah.
A Nobles game.
Well, whatever. That one, can't eat ice cream on a game day.
That's a tough.
And I can't eat ice cream the day before a game day either. Mm-hmm. So I'm
with you on that one.
I'm not
we had one Friday game and it was chicken tenders, and that's a rough pregame meal.
Yeah, that's heavy, especially with
it was a sandwich and salad type of day.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. All right. Well, cool. Mm-hmm. Just to finish up, we're gonna do the WA historical trivia question, and we got a little girls varsity basketball history for you. When was the first ever NEPSAC championship for the girls varsity basketball team?
First ever? Like year?
First crazy because
year. What season?
About those banners all the time.
Season?
Wait, what?
19. Did I start right?
No comment.
Oh god. So,
you guess first, then I'll guess.
2002. I know that's wrong.
What?
Because that's the only one that's in my head because of this line.
Well, seasons are like multiple years. We play.
You guys play from December.
So like,
to January.
are you talking about like 2020 or 2002 to 2003,
yeah,
or like
see, that's why
2001 to 2002?
Count me out. I don't know.
What's your guess?
Count me out. I don't know.
I should know this.
I have no idea.
This is like way before Aaliyah, I think.
Of course.
Oh yeah.
Would be.
Oh yeah.
They've been winning.
Mine's like. I bet 2003.
Nina got it.
What?
Yeah.
Get out of here.
Nina's good with
no way.
Let's
go.
She got what year the gym was built.
Wait, excuse me.
Actually, yeah, I did. What do you mean, excuse me?
Actually, technically, I was right.
No,
because I didn't say from 2001 to 2002.
You said 2002.
Exactly.
But it's wrong.
It's 2003 to 4. It's 2003 to 4.
So they won it in 2004.
Yeah, no, I tried to finesse my way.
And this is Class B. What are you guys now?
Double A.
Double A.
Yeah.
Upgrades.
We're upgrading.
Yeah. All right. Well, that's it for episode 12 of Huddle on the Hilltop. And we'll see you next week.